So hello everyone. So in this video actually we will do something called as character array pointers. Okay, we're gonna work with the pointers on character arrays. They are actually a bit weird. That's the reason I'm gonna use it now. Okay, so let's actually go into depth. Okay, so let's just try this build a stream using namespace std int main. Okay, come here, create a pointer from character array. So let's create the character array. The name as ch. Okay, and let me give the values abc. Okay, so internally what would have happened? Internally this would have happened. Character array would have been created whose value is basically at zero index. This is a b c and another character. Okay, fine. If I print this, it's gonna be, what should I get? Obviously if I print this cout, print me the value of ch. So ch now represent the whole content, right? We know it, right? Ch basically means the whole content. Okay, so it will give me abc. So great, that is fine. Everything is working perfectly fine. Let's do one more thing. Let's create a character pointer star p, who's gonna have the address of ch of 0. By now we know that the ch will be containing the address of ch0, so I'm gonna actually put that value. Okay, now I'm gonna print cout p. What did I expect? Address, right? Let's see. I don't think so we'll get address. Like, this is the something that's a bit, it makes it a bit weird too. That's fine. Okay, we are expecting, see, when it was, if it was an array of integers, like let's take it like, obviously I've seen it right here. If it was actually an integer array and if you're trying to print the content of star p, so we will be actually getting at this line the address, right? So if I try to comment this part here and try to comment this part here and run this part here, so I'll be getting here an address. Okay, we're not getting address, sorry, p, not star p. I'll be getting an address, right? Okay, great. I have done the same thing. I have actually copied this same value of the character array. Right now here is point. This is an integer array, but here actually the thing is, it is a character array. Okay, and I'm getting the value here, and I'm putting this, and I'm trying to print p. So what will this be printing? It will print me the content again. This is the weird thing. It will not print me the address again. That's it. We're getting the content. Why actually it's happening like this? See, in terms of arrays, what actually happens is, p is basically what pointer? P is a character pointer. Okay, it's a character pointer whose content is basically like, let's see, this is at 700, so 700 is kept here. Okay, I'm printing what is p, so 700, it went on 700, and since it's a character pointer, it's not gonna give me the address. Okay, it's not gonna give me the address. Instead it's gonna print a b c until unless it finds a null value. Okay, until unless it finds a null value, it's gonna give me, okay, it's gonna print everything. Okay, so I hope this is clear till now. Okay, so I'm saying that until unless it finds a null value. Okay, it's gonna, if I'm gonna access it using a character pointer, it will go and search and try to print everything until unless it finds a null value. Okay, so great, we know that abc is gonna terminate after like internally it's actually terminating with a null character, right? But what if it is this? What if it is this? Let's see what is this, what I'm talking about. What if it is this character, just a single character, let's say it's a. Okay, and I'm actually having one more character pointer p2 whose is containing the address of ch, so address of ch. Okay, and I'm printing cout p2 p2 in data. What should I expect? Let me just not print this part. Okay, this p. According to me, I'm trying to say that, hey, ch is basically having only one character, it's a, but and then you get the pointer. Okay, and now you access the value. Okay, now only we saw that p2 will actually not print me the address. Instead it will print me what is kept here. So what is kept here? A. So it will just print me a. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, what is this? What is the error? Cannot convert. Okay, where is the Okay, we have given the same name, that's the reason. Let's give it here character 2. Okay, because it's the same name, right? That's why it was getting confused. The compiler was getting a bit confused. Okay, and even here the same thing, to the ch2, because we're storing the address of this part. Okay, great. Okay, let's see what we'll be getting. This ABC is fine. This ABC is due to this line number 6. But here, how am I getting ABC? Let's just actually comment even this part. I'm getting ABC. Why is that so? Why is that so? See properly. In C, this I have stored A. Okay, just kept, let's say, 700. So in P2, I'm saying that, hey, create a P2, put the value 700. That means it's pointing to this, and P2 is, let's say, it kept made it 800. Okay, I'm saying, hey, print whatever is the content of P2. So P2 is basically this content, and I'm saying that this is a character pointer. So it went to this location and it's like searching, hey, let me print A. It's printing A, and now it is starting to search for a null character. Here it was searching for null character, right? Is there any null character here? No. Then this is actually garbage. This part is basically garbage. Okay. After printing is garbage, maybe obviously it found that there was a null character. That's why it stopped here. Makes sense. So this is basically garbage. It can be anything. Okay, it can be anything. Why? Because since I'm accessing it using a pointer, this is a character pointer. Here also we saw, since it was a character pointer, it was searching for a null character. So here everything was fine. But the issue came only when there is only a single character and I'm using it using a pointer and accessing it. So as soon as I'm going here, it's saying, okay, let me print A. But after printing A, it's like, where is my null character? So it did not. So obviously I have only one character. So it went and actually trying to find the null character, but it's not getting it. So it's printing my garbage value. Okay. To prove it again. Okay. To prove it again, let me actually run one more part. Let's say I have one more thing that is basically this. Let me just copy everything. Same. Control C, Control V, and let me say that this time it's CH3, 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 and this is pointer is basically P3, and this is P3. Okay, and let's say the content this time is basically B. Okay, so now for this also I'll be getting one. See, even this is only single character, so I'm getting garbage values. If I'm put after A, I'm getting all the garbage values. Still a null is like is being seen by the compiler. Even here I'll be printing B afterwards in case if I'm not seeing the null character. Even here after B I'll be printing some null garbage values. Okay, so let's just see this part. Okay, so let's see this part. We'll be getting our, so here. Okay, this is fine. A is there and ABC was garbage in that part, but here B is fine, but now the garbage is ABC. Okay, so wherever B was created, next to it BC was there, and after that null was there. So this garbage was printed, and afterwards it found a null and it just stopped. Okay, so I hope you understood these things. Bit weird, right? When we're using these pointers with our this character arrays. Okay, it's a bit weird, I should say. So I just wanted to focus on these things, like to just show you these differences. Okay, in case if we require some more things, we'll just see them in the next like upcoming videos. Okay, so let's cover some more things in the next videos then. Okay, so see you guys there. Thank you.